Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice writing the dots in our 10 frame to match the number that's next to it. So at the top of your paper, please write your name. Then you're going to get your pencil ready, and what we're going to do is we're going to say the name of the number in this circle and then draw the dots to match. So we're going to do some together, and then I'm going to have you do some on your own and check it with mine when you're finished. So the first number that we have is 5. So please put 5 dots in your 10 frame. Good. You should have 5 dots, and it takes up the whole top row. Very good. Next, what number is this? That's 2. So please draw 2 dots in your 10 frame. Good, you just need 2 right there. The next number is 4. So please put 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, not quite the top row, but still 1 left. Next we have 9. So we're going to fill almost the entire 10 frame. Let's count together. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Look at that. There's only 1 box missing without a number. Good. Now we have 10. So if it's a 10 frame and the number is 10, how many boxes do you think we're going to fill? Yep, all of them. So you can put a dot in every box, because when all of the boxes are filled, we have 10. Okay, the next one is 3. Let's do 3 dots. Now I want you to try 7, 8, 1, and 6 by yourself. So you're going to push pause on your video and then do the dots and then push play and check it with mine. Make sure your answers are right. So go ahead and push pause. All right, so on 7, you should have the whole top row filled and 2 more. Did you get it? Nice. On 8, you should have the whole top row plus 3 more. Did you get it? Nice work. 1 should have 1 dot. On 6, you should have the whole top row and 1 more. Did you get it? Nice job. Give yourself a smiley face at the top and do what your teacher wants you to do next.